Hey everyone! Did you know that many people believe they can communicate with spirits in their everyday lives? It's a fascinating topic, right? Today, we're diving into some easy afterlife communication hacks that might just help you connect with those who have passed on. So, let's kick things off by talking about what it really means to communicate with spirits. For many, this is all about seeking closure, guidance, or simply connecting with loved ones who are no longer with us. It can be a deeply personal experience, allowing individuals to feel a sense of peace or understanding. Whether you're curious or looking for some comfort, opening up to the idea of afterlife communication can be incredibly significant. Now let's get real for a second. I know that a lot of us have fears and misconceptions when it comes to talking to spirits. You might be worried about the unknown, or maybe you think others will judge you for it. What if you're wrong? What if it doesn't work? These thoughts can really hold us back from exploring this intriguing connection. But here's the thing. It's completely normal to feel that way. Many people share these fears, and it's okay to take baby steps. The key is to approach the topic with an open mind and a willingness to learn. All right, let's jump into some easy methods for communicating with spirits. First up, meditation. This is a fantastic way to quiet your mind and open yourself to receiving messages. Find a comfortable space, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. Visualize a warm light surrounding you, inviting any spirits who wish to connect. Trust me, you'll feel the energy shift around you. Another method is writing letters. Grab a piece of paper and pour your heart out. Write to your loved ones, sharing your thoughts and feelings. Leave it somewhere special, or even burn it as a symbolic gesture of sending your words into the universe. And don't forget about creating a sacred space. Find a little corner in your home where you feel safe and peaceful. Add some candles, crystals, or photos that remind you of your loved ones. This sacred space can become a powerful area for connection. Now, let me share a personal story that might just inspire you. A while back, I lost my grandmother, and it hit me hard. I tried meditating one night, feeling really lost and alone. As I focused on my breath, I suddenly felt this warmth envelop me. It was as if she was right there beside me. I got up afterward and decided to write her a letter, expressing everything I wished I could tell her. A couple of days later, I found a coin on the floor, something she used to collect. It felt like a little sign from her, a reminder that she's still with me in spirit. This experience showed me just how effective these communication hacks can be, and it brought me so much comfort. To wrap things up, we've explored some practical ways to communicate with spirits, from meditation to creating a sacred space. Remember, it can be a safe and fulfilling experience when approached with respect and openness. Don't let fear hold you back. So now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried to communicate with spirits? What was your experience like? Drop your stories in the comments below. And if you're interested in more videos on related topics, don't forget to check out my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.